right, kindergarten, our next sight word. You will have to flip through your sight word packet to find the sight word we. Okay, so once you find it, we are going to start with trace it. So we see that they already have the dotted we, W-E, on the lines, and each letter is below the dotted line. So we are going to start here on the dotted line. It has 4 straight lines, so we're going to go from the dotted line to the bottom, up to the top, to the dotted, bottom, up to the top, to the dotted. And then let's do our C. So we are going to go over, up to the dotted line, curve round to the bottom, and back up. Write it. We are going to write it on our own. Is there enough space here to write it 2 or 3 times? Yes. So let's try to write it at least 2 times. So we're going to start at the dotted line, go down to the bottom, up to the dotted, down to the bottom, up to the dotted, and do our E. Curve round and back. Good. Let's write it one more time. Let's go to the dotted line, down to the bottom, up to the dotted, down to the bottom, up to the dotted, and let's do our E. Cross, up to the dotted, curve round to the bottom, and back. Good job. Build it. We all know that we are going to build it with the letters at the bottom. So we are going to get our scissors and glue. We're going to cut the bottom off, cut all those lines off straight across, cutting the bottom off that page. And we are going to cut out what 2 letters from that strip? The W and E. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out the W, cut out the E, and I'm going to glue them up here. Can I glue the E and then the W? Nope. I have to glue the W here and then the E here to build what word? We. Great. Next, we are going to go to find it. And I am going to find all the we's in this box. And I see it, oh, right, 4 times, just like it was 4 times in the other sight words. So I am going to circle every we that I find in those words. Use it. We're going to use it in a sentence. So I'm going to use we in a sentence. I'm going to write, let me think. Because I just did the word I in my last sight word. I think I'm going to bring the. I know TH, like in the, says the. I think I'm sound spelling, right? I think, and I want you to sound spell too when you make your sentence. I think we, and here's where I'm using we, our sight word. I think we, can, and sound spelling again, can play, p, pull, a, and I've seen this word before, so that helps me spell it. We can play. What can we play? Can I make this a better sentence and be more specific using descriptive words? Yes, I think we can play. How about games? G. That's a G. A. Oh, and I know that A said its long name, so I know there's going to be an E here because it's telling the A to say its name, and it's silent. Games. How do I end a sentence? With a period. Again, kindergarten, do I want you to write the same sentence I did? Nope. Do I want you to use we in your own sentence? Yes. And remember your capital letter at the beginning of your sentence? your spacing in between words, and your period. Then when you're finished, you're going to post that picture of both of your sight words on Seesaw. Good job.